Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to use Paysafecard on Brawl Stars. So let's get into the video. So open up the Brawl Stars site or the Supercell stores, their websites or the official site. So once you're on their site, so now log into your account. You need to be logged in to your account so that you can make purchases. So logged in, and then you can just make any purchase here. So for example, I'm going to buy this Brawl Pass from my Brawl Star, so I'll just buy that. So add this to your cart. So I'm just going to add this to my cart. So once I've added to my cart here, so I'm going to go to my cart and then hit on checkout. So when you hit on checkout here you will get to this payment option here where it displays all your payment options. So for example here, so under payments, so now what you can do, if your region supports Paysafecard, you should be able to see Paysafe here. So for example here, my region, I don't have it's not supported with Paysafe, so I don't have this option here, but you can simply choose if it's available, like instead of PayPal, if it's you can choose a Paysafecard if your region supports it. Or else there's alternatively there's another thing that you can do. You can make payment using your Paysafe Mastercard. So if you have a Paysafe Mastercard, you can simply select the card option here, and then once you select the card option here, and then plug in your Paysafe Mastercard details and then proceed with the payments. So that's how you can use Paysafecard on Brawl Stars. So hope this video was helpful.